If you're watching this video and you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. It may mean nothing for you, but it means a lot for me. Also, it's completely free and you can unsubscribe anytime you want. So, I would like to know what you think about these videos in the comment box. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Education to Awareness. My name is Mohammed Ibnan and today I am here at FireHouse Fitness Gym. So this is my brother's gym, and yes, this is not a sponsored video. So today I'm going to show you a workout plan that if you are a beginner, okay, and you want to start gym, or if you are starting after a long time, okay, or if you have never done gym, okay. So if you want to exercise, okay, and your aim is not to become a bodybuilder, then also, and if you're going to the gym, there would be 6 body parts you would need to focus upon. These would be chest, back, shoulder, biceps and triceps, along with legs. If you're already going to the gym, let me know what you think about this workout plan. This is called a mix workout, where I would be focusing on all the 6 categories that I told you. Now, this gym which you see, okay, comes with all the modern equipments and facilities. So if you're from Kanpur, you can check this out. You can see it has been newly and recently renovated. It has this red and black dark theme with a hint of green. So the exercise information video, I am making it separately because first of all, I don't have a wireless mic, and also if I include the information video along with my workout, that would unnecessarily increase my workout and also will not give you the correct information about the continuity of the exercises. So when you are starting off with the exercise, it is always good to do a warm-up, whether you are a beginner or you have been doing exercise regularly. So the warm-up session should include rapid movement of your arms and legs, and they should also include some stretching. So I have done a warm-up session, and this warm-up session should last up to 3 to 5 minutes. So next is the warm-up session.
सहर का वक्त था, मासूम कलियां मुस्कुराती थी, हवाएं खैर मकदम के तराने गुनगुनाती थी। अभी जिब्रील भी उतरे न थे काबे के मिंबर से, के इतने में सदा आई है अब्दुल्लाह के घर से। मुबारक हो शहे हर दो सरा तशरीफ ले आए, मुबारक हो मुहम्मद मुस्तफा तशरीफ ले आए। मौलाया सल्ली व सल्लिम दाइमन आबादन आला हबीबी का खैरी खल्की कुल्लिहिमी, मुहम्मदुन सय्यिदुल कौनैनि व ज़क़लैन, मुहम्मदुन सय्यिदुल कौनैनि व ज़क़लैन, वल फ़रीक़ैनि मिन उर्बि व मिन आजामी। न कोई आप जैसा है, न कोई आप जैसा था, कोई यूसुफ से पूछे मुस्तफा का हुस्न कैसा था। ज़मीनो आसमां में कोई भी मिसाल ना मिली। मौलाया सल्ली व सल्लिम दाइमन आबादन आला हबीबी का खैरी खल्की कुल्लिहिमी। दुरूद उन पर सलाम उन पर, यही कहना खुदा का है। खुदा के बाद जो है मर्तबा सल्ले अला का है। वही सरदार आलम है, वही गमख्वार उम्मत है। वही तो हश्र के मैदान में सबकी शिफात है, शिफात के लिए सबकी नजर उन पर लगी होगी। मौला या सल्ली व सल्लिम दाइमन अबदन अला हबीबिक खैरी खल्क।
So after the warm-up session is done, so if you are like a beginner, okay, so I would not recommend you the pull-ups or the chin-ups, the next exercise that I'm going to do. But if you have already done exercise before and you are maybe starting again after a long time, or you might have had some gaps in between, then you should go for the chin-ups. Okay, so we have the pull-ups and the chin-ups. So the pull-ups are really hard to pull and chin-ups are comparatively easily. So you could go for either one of them if you are comfortable. Once you have done the chin-ups or the pull-ups, or if you are just the beginner, then you could just simply avoid the pull-ups and chin-ups and go for the next exercise, which is called as a lat pull down. Now this is one of the very common, very important exercise to work on your back. It exercises and tones your back muscle, and it's an easy one to do. So the weight, again, what you are comfortable with, and the repetition that you are comfortable with, you can do them. Be creative in experimenting with them. Okay.
सलाम उस पर के जिसने बेकसों की दस्तगीरी की, सलाम उस पर के जिसने बादशाही में फकीरी की, सलाम उस पर के जिसके घर न चांदी थी न सोना था.
Once you have done the lat pull down, the next exercise that I'm going to suggest you is the machine seated cable row. Now this is again a very common one and a very good exercise. So the lat pull down focuses on the upper part of your back. The machine cable row focuses on your lower back.
तेरी सूरत तेरी सीरत तेरा नक्शा तेरा जलवा, तबस्सुम गुफ्तगू बंधा नवाजी खलकते शानी, मेरा दर हो मेरा सर हो मेरा दिल हो तेरा घर हो.
So 2 exercises for the back would be enough for mixing, and then after this we need to focus on the chest. So for the chest, okay, the bench press would not be something that I would recommend you when you are doing it as a beginner. So it would be always best to try the machines and try, okay, and start with the chest fly.
मेरा दर हो मेरा सर हो मेरा दिल हो तेरा घर हो, तमन्ना मुख्तसर सी है मगर तमहीद तूलानी. मौला या सल्ली व सल्लिम दाइमन अबदन अला हबीबिक खैरी खल्की कुल्लिहिम.
Once you have done the chest fly, next I would recommend you the machine chest press. So again, this is a very good exercise to actually make you build in muscles in your chest area.
वो धूपों में तपती जमीनों पे सजदे, सफर में वो घोड़ों की जीनों पे सजदे, चट्टानों की ऊंची जबीनों पे सजदे, वो सहरा बया काबा के सीनों पे सजदे, अलालत में सजदे, मुसीबत में सजदे, वो फाकों में हाजत में गुर्बत में सजदे।
Now we will be moving on to the third body category, that would be the shoulders. So for the shoulders, okay, the best thing would be to do the shoulder press using the rods or by putting the weight on the both of the sides, or you can also go with the dumbbells.
सलाम उस पर के जिसके घर न चांदी थी न सोना था, सलाम उस पर के टूटा बोरिया जिसका बिछोना था। सलाम है आमीना के लाल महबूब सुबहानी, सलाम है फख्रे मौजूदात फख्रे नो इंसान।
The shoulder press, the next exercise that I have done is the shoulder machine fly. Now you can also do this with the help of the dumbbells, but the machine, makes it more coordinated, your movement, and does, better press on the muscles.
वो जंगो जदल में हरासत में सजदे, लगा तीर जख्मों की हालत में सजदे, वो गारों की वहशत में पुरनूर सजदे, वो खंजर के साए में मसरूर सजदे, वो रातों को खलवत से मामूर सजदे, वो लंबी रकातों से मसहूर।
Two exercises for the back, 2 for the chest, 2 for the shoulder. Now we'll go for the biceps. So for the biceps, again you have the options: go for the barbell rod curls, go for the dumbbell curls. Okay, I have done the machine biceps curls.
वो लंबी रकातों से मसहूर सजदे, वो सजदे मुहाफिज मददगार सजदे, गमों के मुकाबिल अतरदार सजदे, नजात और बख्शिश के सालार सजदे, झुका सर तो बनते थे तलवार सजदे, वो सजदों के शौकीन गाजी कहाँ है, ज़मीं पूछती है नमाज़ी कहाँ है।
So next step after the machine biceps curl, okay, we'll do it just single exercise for the biceps in this mixing exercise routine, and next we will be going for the triceps. So for the triceps, again, like we did the machine biceps curl, so in the reverse, okay, or manner, we will be doing on the same machine the machine triceps curl.
ज़मीं पूछती है नमाज़ी कहाँ है।
हमारे बुझे दिल से बेजार सजदे, ख्यालों में उलझे हुए चार सजदे, मुसल्ले है रेशम के बीमार सजदे, चमकती दीवारों में लाचार सजदे, रियाकार सजदे, नादार सजदे।
So lastly, okay, we come to the last exercise for this exercise routine, and that would be focusing upon the legs. So next up is the machine squat.
चलो आओ करते हैं तौबा के सजदे, बहुत तशनगी से तवज्जो के सजदे, मसीहा के आगे मदावा के सजदे, निदामत से सरखम शिकस्ता से सजदे, रज़ा वाले सजदे, वफा वाले सजदे, अमल की तरफ रहनुमा वाले सजदे, सरापा अदब इल्तिजा वाले सजदे, बहुत आजिज़ी से हया वाले सजदे, निगाहों के दरबान रूदार सजदे, वो चेहरे की ज़ोहरा चमकदार सजदे, सरासर बदल दे जो किरदार सजदे के बन जा।
I think you must be feeling pretty tired by now. You will see, okay, some of the exercises I may have done in a set of 8, 10, 15 or 20. Okay, that would depend, on your comfortability. So, just keep in mind, okay, whatever exercise you are doing should make you comfortable and not very uneasy. So yeah, you should try to do a bit hard work, okay, but don't overdo it. Also, you can change the number of sets, okay, you can change the weights in the different sets. So maybe the first set you did with a heavy weight, okay, you felt like a heavy weight for around 10 sets. So next weight you can go lighter, okay, and go again like 8 sets or 10 sets, okay. Or if you the first set, okay, you felt lighter, you did 10, 12, maybe 15, okay. The second set you may try to go a bit heavier and try to do, okay, maybe a bit more or bit less according to your comfortability. I hope, okay, if you follow this one for at least 3 to 4 days, it will do you pretty good. Okay, of course there is going to be immense muscle pain, okay, but yeah, that would go away, okay, as you do it consistently. So which is the key of getting a healthy and good body. Let me know what do you think about this workout session. So this was the complete 1 hour workout session, and the exercises I have done needs to be repeated in a set of 3. So I know your time is precious, so I have not shown the repeated sets here. I have just shown you the single sets. So if you're watching the video and you are not yet subscribed, I would request you to hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comment box what you think about this video, and do you want to see more of these workout, or if you want any specific body category workout, like for example for chest, back, shoulder, biceps, triceps or legs, let me know in the comment box. So also, if you are liking the video, hit the like button. So this is me signing off. Jai Hind, Tata, bye bye.